In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Google Docs. If you've ever ended up with an extra blank page at the end of your document or an empty page in the middle, don't worry, this is an easy fix once you know what's causing it and how to remove it cleanly. Start by going to the unwanted page. Simply scroll through your document until that page is visible so you can work directly on it. Having the page in view makes it clear what you're about to remove and helps you confirm the result right away. Next, remove all the content on that page. Click anywhere on the page to place your cursor, then press Ctrl plus A on Windows or CMD plus A on Mac to select everything, and press Backspace or Delete. This clears the text, images, and any invisible content on that page. Take a quick look to make sure you're only removing what you intend. If you accidentally select too much, use Undo to restore it and try again with a smaller selection. In many cases, as soon as the content is gone, the page collapses automatically and disappears because there's nothing left to push it onto its own page. If the page is still there after clearing the content, place your cursor at the very start of the page that comes after the unwanted page, right before the first character on that next page. Now press backspace repeatedly until the extra page disappears. Each press removes leftover spacing, extra blank lines, or a manual break that may be keeping that blank page alive. Keep tapping until the text above pulls up and the gap closes. Here's the key idea to remember. In Google Docs, a page isn't something you delete directly. A page only exists because content, spacing, or a break pushes material onto it. When you remove the content or the spacing that created it, the page goes away on its own. A quick tip to save time. Extra pages are usually caused by a few common culprits: extra blank lines, page breaks, or section breaks that linger after editing, copying, or formatting. Clearing those almost always fixes the problem instantly. As you work, keep an eye out for long empty paragraphs or breaks near the end of your document. Removing them will prevent extra pages from reappearing. That's all there is to it. Clean up the content, remove the spacing, and the extra page will disappear. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.